Sing to the Lord a new song, for He has done marvelous things. Shout for joy to the Lord of the earth. Make music with the sound of singing. Let the sea resound and everything in it. Let the rivers clap their hands. The Lord hath made His salvation known and revealed His righteousness to the nations. He has remembered His love and His faithfulness. Let the mountains sing together for joy. Let them shout for joy before the King, the world and all who live in it. All the end of the earth have seen the salvation of our God. Psalm 98. Hallelujah.